What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Spang's World. Today we got the drive shaft back out of the Jeep, the rear one. We recently changed out all the U-joints in it, but now we got to change out the CV. Our new one came in, should be super simple, I would think. We're gonna pop out this U-joint. If you want an actual U-joint video, link it up here. But we'll pop this one out and swap out this CV. A lot of slop in there. I don't know what that's supposed to tolerance be and stuff, but it looks pretty wore out. The spring goes with that. I don't think it would hurt if we just put a little bit of grease in here. It needs to go back in just a little. Now we can come this way a little. Now you're basically playing the game to get it back and forth. Yeah, I was gonna still do it by hand. See if we can get it back in. We're gonna push it by hand a little bit. This needs to go in just a little. There we go, it's on the seal now. So we get this side in, just gotta push it in just a little bit. So we can do it by hand like the other one. That was less than 20 minutes using this. And half of that, I think I was walking around and stuff, helping, doing something else. Pull the drive shaft out and stuff. Check out the video before with the U-joints and stuff. It's really simple actually and stuff. If you're going to go this far, you probably already know how to do the drive shaft. But super simple, super quick. $75 for the CV. I'll leave a link down in the description below. And hit that thumbs up if the video was helpful. Leave any comments down below if you got any questions. And see you on the next one. Peace.